Hi guys, I'm back here with my friends at Raceworks, but today we're going to showcase the 100 series stainless steel braided hose and the 120 series black nylon braided hose, which has the same application as the 400 series, but its braided hose allows for higher temperature and higher pressure ratings, not to mention it's also more flexible. Both the 100 series and the black 120 series hose have excellent abrasion and corrosion resistance. Both hoses handle temperatures up to 150 degrees, with the 100 series having a maximum burst pressure of 1000 psi. However, the 120 series is a little bit lighter and has a maximum burst pressure of 500 psi. Now it's time to put some fittings on. Once again, we'll need a vise, soft jaws for the vise, hose cutters, masking tape, and our adjustable AN spanner. The first step with this hose is to wrap the area to be cut with our tape to prevent the hose from fraying when cut. Once cut, we can remove the tape. Next, undo the socket from the hose end and place the socket in the vise with the threaded end facing towards the vise away from the hose. Now, we push the hose into the socket, rotating the hose so we don't catch the braiding. Push it in until it's just short of the threads. If the braid is fraying slightly and preventing the hose from sliding in, you can wrap one layer of the tape around the end to help out. Once the hose is in the socket correctly, we need to wrap a layer of tape around the hose as a marker to see if the hose moves out of the socket during the assembly process. Okay, now we secure the hose end in our vise jaws with the male threaded end facing outwards. We then push our hose and socket onto the hose end and rotate to engage the threads. Make sure you are very careful so as to not cross thread it. Using our adjustable AN spanner, tighten the hose end into the socket until there's a 1mm gap between the end and the socket. Whilst you're tightening the hose, make sure the hose does not move out of the socket. To make them look really professional, make sure you finish by aligning the flat surfaces. So there you have it. Pretty simple really. It just goes to show that Raceworks really do have some quality products, but they're also very easy to fit too.